This Instagram page got over 9,000 followers just by uploading these simple Dreamcore videos. Some of the most satisfying, relaxing, and addictive videos to watch on social media right now. But here's the crazy part. Most people think these videos take hours to create. In reality, you can make them in just a few minutes, completely free. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create Dreamcore videos like these without spending a single penny. And by the end, you'll know the entire workflow I use to make videos like this in less than 5 minutes.
First, you're going to go to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs on the left sidebar and search for Dreamcore Studio Pro. Click on this one and start a new chat. At the top, you'll see a button that says Start. Click it, and the GPT will generate 10 different Dreamcore nostalgia concepts that you can use for your videos. And if you want even more ideas, simply type More. For this example, I'm going with number 9, a motel lobby filled with soft rain. Then hit send. The ChatGPT will then generate 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts. Now, you might be wondering why 5? That's because each one is an alternative version, giving you multiple creative options to choose from. Choose the idea you like the most, whatever seems more appealing to you.
Next, copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Select Image Generation Mode, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and hit Send. And wait a few moments. And as you can see, the image is generated, and honestly, the quality looks incredibly impressive. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then head back to Flow AI, choose the image you want to animate, click Add to Prompt, then choose your desired settings and click Generate. Wait for about a minute. And just like that, the video is ready. Let's take a look. Wow, amazing. Simply repeat the exact same process to create unlimited Dreamcore videos with different concepts and aesthetics. And that's the entire workflow. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming viral niches, AI tools, and content opportunities. And I'll see you next time.